Hey guys, today we are back with another fast food taste test. We are going to be trying out the Taco Bell Bacon Ranch Chalupa. I don't know if my Taco Bell has it. For some reason, because it's split with the KFC, like you can't order online or see anything about their restaurant. But you can on the KFC app for the KFC half of it, so I don't know. So it's for a limited time. It's Bacon Club Chalupa, $5.59, 450 calories. So the description is a chewy, flaky shell filled with grilled, marinated, all-white chicken meat, bacon, lettuce, tomato, avocado ranch, sauce, and a 3-cheese blend. Honestly, this sounds right up my alley. I'm really hoping they have it. Let's go. Alrighty. Not off to the best start. I ordered a Diet Baja Blast, paid for it, and then after the fact they told me they didn't have it. Mukbang tray, which is especially helpful for Taco Bell food. Alright, here's the reveal. Bacon Ranch Club Chalupa. Is it? It is. Napkin. So we've got the Chicken Bacon Club Chalupa, $5 here. Online it said $4.50. Actually, online it said $5.50 and I got it for $5. So, okay, so apparently the last time this was on this menu was 2 years ago, and they brought it back for a limited time along with a couple other items. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to try those out. But here it is. It's kind of impossible to see this. It's kind of really overexposed. Alrighty, I just drove across the parking lot. Here we are. The big reveal in 3, 2. So this is the chalupa. As you can see, you've got the bacon, the ranch, the cheese, the chicken. This chalupa definitely does not look like the advertised chalupa. Like, this one is way crispier, way more stuffed with stuff. Mine's not as well done and definitely does not have as much stuff in it. All right, I'm a little annoyed now because all of the chalupa pretty much fell on the floor, but that's okay. So I'm going to give it a bite and cheers, guys. The dough for this is so good. I'm not even kidding. It's just like a warm, comforting pocket. Let's take another bite. Honestly, this is really delicious. I'm really enjoying like the ranch and the bacon. It's obviously very simple. Nothing crazy here, but it's yummy. It's really good. I think the dough of the chalupa and the bacon are the real winners here. The flavor of that bacon is so good. And this dough, I mean, it's just gooey, ooey, pull apart, easy. Like, look at that. Ooh. It's so good. I was planning on getting a Baja Blast tab with this, so we'd have something else for the thumbnail, but, and because I freaking love a Diet Baja Blast, but they didn't have it, so. I'm gonna put a little bit of their mild sauce on it. Yum. Let's see. I don't know if it really needs extra sauce, though. It's pretty good. Yeah. I honestly feel like the sauce takes away from the club element. This is so good. I'm going to eat this whole thing right now. I'm not even kidding. Ooh, look at all. Oh, mother. 5-second rule. I'm eating it. I didn't fall on the floor. I've already lost too much of this chalupa to the floor. Also, I think these people are messing with me because I just did the KFC Double Down video on Friday, was it? And they gave it to me in a Taco Bell bag. Now I'm ordering Taco Bell food and they give it to me in a KFC bag. The only thing I wish I had more of was the avocado ranch, because I'm just seeing it now at the end. See, like right here, that like green creaminess. That's really good. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. You can't beat this for the price either. It's filling. With the chicken, for sure. Oh, man. I'm sad. It's gonna be over. Tell me why I got KFC's honey. I don't know why I got that. I grabbed as many packets as I could. Well, that's it, guys. Shit. Okay. Thoughts. Wish I had water. Really wish I had a Diet Baja Blast. But overall, this bacon club chalupa is yummy. It's got the flavors of a club sandwich, which I don't know if you know this, but club sandwiches are my favorite sandwiches. Whenever I go out to eat, if you got a club sandwich on the menu, I'm most likely ordering it. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see other food items tasted and reviewed below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.